A big hello and welcome to all the planner mums, glam mums, and all my subscribers. Hope each one of you are doing well. I'm well and hope the same for each one of you. So today I'm coming on to you with a quick video of the Boulevard World. We had visited on a Friday. It's 40 Riyal for the entrance and I think it's 30 Riyal on a weekday. We went on a Friday. It opens around 4 o'clock and it stays, I think, beyond 12 or 10, 4 to 10. I think that would be the best time to go. And it was a lovely experience. My daughter really enjoyed. It's a must if you're in Riyadh to go visit this place. Boulevard World is something like Global Village. If you have lived in Dubai, you have been there. These are big stalls, lifelike stalls from different countries around the world. You have Asia, you have China, you have India, you have Italy, you have Morocco, you have Saudi Arabia, and so many other countries. Since I was traveling with the kids, so I didn't have the chance to go to all the countries. However, we visited Mexico, we visited China, we did see Greece, we saw Egypt, we saw India, we also saw France and Italy, and there are many places we got to enjoy the delectable cuisine as well. Like in France, we did try the macarons and the French toast, and then we also did the boating, the water taxi. I think it's worth the money. It's 50 Riyal per person, and they will take you on a nice 15 minutes ride. If you have time, definitely do that. And we went in a perfect time, so it was still not sunset yet, and by the time we were done, it's the sunset already. So it was a perfect seeing both day and night in that whole view, and we really enjoyed. Now we are walking towards the France. This is what you're seeing, and then we had tried in the Asia. I tried the coconut milkshake in one of they have this floating markets. Then my daughter had enjoyed tacos. My husband had a shawarma as well, and I also had the seafood paella. So it was a good multi cuisine tasting time as well for us. I'm not sure if I missed something else, but we were so full by the end, and we did make 10,000 steps for sure. These lifelike exhibits are very beautiful, quite interactive, and we saw many dances as well. Live shows were there. We saw in China the live show. The bamboo with the dragon. We didn't see the dragon dance, but we did see the bamboo. You will see in the video. That was very fun, and we also saw the tango in Spain. In Mexico, those tango dance, the tap dance, we saw that as well. And in India, we saw also the Indian Bollywood dance. That was also very nice. My daughter really enjoyed these live. And in France, we also heard this Slavian person playing. So the whole vibe was amazing. I think weekdays will be even quieter. There's amusement rides as well, but I think those rides are for bigger people. For younger kids, it's not so many rides there, except I saw one. And in the Indian store, we did have the chai. The chai was okay, honestly, not that great to talk about. Yeah, but it was all on and on very good. In India, I could not find very good shops for food as well. I think that lacked. They can improve a lot on India. Being an Indian, I was more critical about the Indian stall compared to the others. However, it was good fun, and I hope you enjoy. This is the yummy French toast. Please watch till the end, and please subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned. I still have the Harry Potter video to be posted of the Boulevard City, and also I have the video of my Singapore Zoo and Singapore Safari, which we did last year. So stay tuned for that as well. Thank you, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I do a lot of book reviews, but I also do these. This is we are going to go in the water taxi, and this is the view. That's one of the most beautiful view. A must see. Yeah. All right. Thank you. Take care. Here is the baby France. Cocomelon is also there. Of course, we'll go there. Oh yeah, Nuna's Cocomelon is this. Nuna was small baby. ये US लग रहा है. अपना इंडिया भी कहाँ है ताजमहल दिख रहा है? इस तरफ है.
It's so cool.
अभी हम लोग ये बोटिंग करेंगे. Look up, look at the Ferris wheel, Nuna. Look how big it is.
Oh, beautiful.
Look at the Ferris wheel. Ah, nice. Yeah, Nuna ji. मेरी भी कोई खींच लो ना वीडियो का भी. Look how huge it is now, how big it is.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at Mama, both of you. दिखा इधर दिखा सुदीन, नूना दिखा, फेस दिखा अपना. ये सब तुम YouTube में आओगे फिर. अच्छे टाइम में गए बेबी, नहीं तो अंधेरे में क्या मजा आता है ना. सही टाइम में ही गए. ये देख क्या मस्त लग रहा है. शंग्रीला में जब डांस होता था ड्रैगन वाला, क्या मस्त लगता था. See how he balanced, Nuna. He's balancing from mouth, Nuna. Yeah, because there is a place called Transylvania in Italy where there is the vampire. Dracula was the one who feeds on human flesh. No! Vampire! Hold Papa's hand, that's one thing. better to hold Papa's hand.
Guys.
Italy पूरा crowded है Sudhi. Italiano, bellissimo, bellissimo. Italiano, pizza, pizzeria, pizzeria. Don King आगे देखते ना और भी तो होंगे. Don King extra Italian mafia. Oh my God. Look at that. हाँ आजकल मेरा Italian mafia. क्यों क्यों? कौन किसका प्रॉब्लम है? इटली आके डोमिनोज मत खाना. We are eating in Italian restaurant called La Rustica. Don't come without covering. La Rustica. This is the La Rustica menu.
Look at this.
Yeah. We'll go and sit. Okay. This is charcoal, huh? Buddha. Wood. Nice. This is, you have restaurants here as well? Okay. Ask them before you take. Hold my hand. Sudhi, हाथ पकड़ो उसका. मैं वो कर रही हूँ सुधी. ये सोल्जर्स का है ग्रीस का. 300 मूवी अगर देखी है किसी ने, तुम दोनों ने ही नहीं देखी है.
क्या बोलो जल्दी बेबी.
ऑफ कोर्स चलो फिर तुम बोल रहे हो ग्रीस में कुछ अच्छा खाने के लिए, तो व्हाई नॉट. चलो बेबी चलते हैं. One of my look how beautiful. Look, all kids are walking. All kids are walking.
eating and walking.
Yeah, now we'll eat again. Where is the chai, Sudhi? अब इसके बाद सीधे घर ही चलो फिर. इसको तो वो चाहिए बेबी, चाय वाला स्पेशल.
Again, play for the famous tour. And we should do the country.
बेबी ये क्या है देखो. हाथ पकड़ो मम्मा का. अब इसके बाद सीधे घर ही चलो फिर. इसको तो वो चाहिए बेबी, चाय वाला स्पेशल.
Again, play for the famous tour. And we should do the country.
बेबी ये क्या है देखो. हाथ पकड़ो मम्मा का. ये मसाला चाहिए.
सुंदर
शुगर ऑलरेडी है या आना हाँ व्हाट आर यू सेइंग we are hungry Nona we have to eat food also night how you will have mango juice. You buy in one something in the fall.
Come here, Raki.
All of it is done. It's a lot of traffic.